You've probably seen hundreds of videos showing top AI tools, but today, I'll show you something different: how to actually build a business around them. From choosing your niche, to automating content, to creating your first product, everything step by step. Let's start with the foundation. Pick a niche that AI can easily improve: marketing, writing, automation, or design. Don't try to do everything at once. One focused niche wins. Next, identify one painful problem. For example, businesses struggling to produce content or manage leads. Then find an AI tool that solves exactly that. Now, the magic part: turn that tool into a service. Offer AI content writing for YouTube creators or ICO audits for startups. Use ChatGPT to generate proposals and even cold DMs. Connect everything with Zapier or Make.com so that new clients trigger automated workflows. AI writes, edits, and delivers results. After that, productize it. Create templates, workflows, and recurring packages. That's how you turn one-time work into recurring revenue. Finally, build your audience. Share behind-the-scenes clips, results, and insights. People buy from creators who show value. So, stop consuming endless AI tool lists. Build something with them. This is the future of business, and it's open to anyone who knows how to connect the dots.